Hey there YouTube! In today's video we're going to cut a giant hole in the roof of my Dodge Ram 3500 van.
What we're doing is installing a powered roof vent in the van. The very first thing that we're going to do, we're going to very carefully measure out and mark where we need to make our cuts. Then we're going to drill out the corners of the holes. We're using a step bit, and we're starting our hole inside of the corner and then just drilling it out till we meet the lines. This gives you clean corners and makes it easier to cut out. Also does not give you a square corner, it gives you a rounded corner. I was going to cut this out with the jigsaw, but I didn't have the right blades. And I didn't feel like running to the store, so we just cut it out with an angle grinder. You should probably be wearing some gloves here. The edges can be left very sharp and jagged. I then finished cutting the headliner using the jigsaw. After that, I cleaned up all the edges with the file and applied some butyl tape to the roof vent to be installed. I'm now peeling the backing off of the tape, and then we're going to set the roof vent in place and screw it down. We're using self-tapping sheet metal screws. Next, after fishing the power and ground wires up to the ceiling and under the headliner, we're going to make our connections. The next thing we did was measure the depth from the headliner and transfer those measurements onto the interior cap and then cut it to size. We then installed the interior cap and screwed it into a couple pieces of wood that I had slid between the headliner and the roof of the van. Then, after thoroughly cleaning and cutting off the excess butyl tape, we applied a generous coating of lap sealant around the perimeter and over the bolt holes of the fan.
Now for anybody that's interested, I'll give you guys a quick walk around of my project here. Let you guys see it. If you guys want to see more on this project, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Basically the van is just a Dodge Ram 3500. It's the extended length. Does not have the high roof. It's a 1 ton. It's got the Dodge 360 Magnum in it. Automatic transmission. Completely plain looking from the outside. But come inside, a whole different story. We got a bed back here, 4 feet wide by, I think it's 5'9", 5'10" long. It's just shy of 6 foot. The mattress has got a mattress from a fold-up futon on it, and then a 3-inch memory foam pad on top. It's actually quite comfortable now. We did take this van on a trip to South Dakota. We did just shy of 1,000 miles in it. 2 nights, 3 days, I think, something like that. And we didn't have that memory foam pad in there. The bed was a little rough. We probably would have stayed out longer had it not been from that, but put that 3-inch memory foam on the top and it is very comfortable now. We've got a refrigerator, just your normal dorm style refrigerator. Still got to finish the countertop on this side here, but we've got some drawers, got cabinets down below. The power in this van is, we've got a deep cycle battery under the bed. There's also a 2,000 watt inverter that powers all the outlets in the van. We've also got a cassette toilet, kitchen area here. Got a nice countertop. Got a sink. 12-volt water pump. This wood around the front here is just pine board. It's all been sanded, polyurethane. It's built to have a little bit of a lip on the top. That way if you forget and leave something sitting up on top of the counter, it's not going to slide off when you're going down the road. All the cabinet doors are all oak plywood that have been sanded and polyurethaned. And that's about all there is to show you here at the moment. I'll be doing more work on this van as time goes on here. Not really sure how much video I'm going to do on it. It's kind of a little off topic from my normal videos. But if you guys enjoy it, make sure you let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I can record a few more projects on this for you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.